Hi, this is Nisha from gagabtubi.com. Our website is free classified search engine for importers and exporters. Okay, let's go to the topic.
Starting an import-export business can vary widely in terms of investment depending on the scale, products, and markets you are targeting. However, here is a breakdown of the minimum investment you might need to get started. 1. Business registration and licensing. Business registration, $100 to $500, varies by country and business structure. Import-export license, $100 to $1,000, varies by country and product. 2. Initial inventory. Small-scale operations, $2,000 to $10,000, varies based on the product type and quantity. Medium-scale operations, $10,000 to $50,000. 3. Shipping and logistics. Initial shipping costs, $500 to $2,000, depending on the shipping method and distance. Customs duties and taxes, variable, depends on the product and destination country. 4. Warehousing and storage. Small storage space, $200 to $1,000 per month. Larger warehousing, $1,000 to $5,000 per month, depending on location and size. 5. Marketing and promotion. Basic marketing, website, business cards, etc. $500 to $2,000. Online advertising and SEO, $500 to $5,000. 6. Operational costs. Office space, if needed, $500 to $2,000 per month. Utilities and miscellaneous expenses, $200 to $500 per month. 7. Professional services. Customs broker fees, $100 to $500 per shipment. Legal and accounting fees, $500 to $2,000. Estimated minimum investment. Small-scale import-export business, $5,000 to $15,000. Medium-scale import-export business, $15,000 to $50,000. Additional tips. Start small. Begin with a small inventory and test your market before scaling up. Leverage online platforms. Use online marketplaces like Alibaba, Amazon, or eBay to reduce initial costs. Partner with established companies. Collaborate with established import-export firms to share resources and minimize risks. Focus on high-demand products. Research and choose products with high demand and profit margins to maximize returns on your investment. Stay compliant. Ensure all your business operations comply with local and international trade regulations to avoid fines and legal issues. Starting an import-export business requires careful planning and prudent financial management. By beginning with a modest investment and gradually expanding as you gain experience and market knowledge, you can build a successful and sustainable business.